Hi, this is Josh from Apocalypse Equipped. I wanted to show you some of my flashlights and give you a comparison. First up is the 511 Atac A1. Second will be the Surefire 9P. And thirdly, the Hexbright that I kickstarted, and that's the three of them side by side. So, my corridor here is about 10 meters, and I'll see about showing you each of the lights' capacity in that little space. First up is the Atac, which has a click button to high power, double click low power, and a triple click gives you a strobe function. Next up is the Surefire, which just got a momentary button. Does go all the way with the screw, but that's the only feature it has. And lastly, the Hexbright, which buttons once, twice, 3 times, and also has a flash and strobe. So, one thing I wanted to show you was the 9P, which is the brighter of the first two, up against the Hexbright, and it really does just wash it right out. So that's the 9P on the wall there, and I bring the Hexbright over the top, which all but vanishes. So it's a very powerful light. Well, thanks very much for watching. Hope you like this, and stay tuned for more.